Hi, I'm Mike. Another cycle is complete for the hogs on the ranch. The little ones we've been raising for just over 6 months now are leaving. And today we take a look at their final journey and what we've learned on our Wyoming Life. I never ever thought we'd be raising pigs. When we came to the ranch, I kind of thought cows were enough. But we've been raising them for 4 years now, and this is our 4th batch. I think that's right. So now they actually seem like part of the ranch. In fact, when they leave the place, well, it seems a bit emptier and definitely a little bit quieter. On the bright side of things, pigs can keep you pretty busy. So with them leaving the ranch, it does free up some time for other projects, as keeping them is a project in itself. When we got into the pig business, we didn't know anything about them. We knew the basics from reading a few books, but those books can never really prepare you for the real life experience. Erin asked me one day if I thought that we could raise pigs. Now, I told her that I didn't want to keep pigs year round. Keeping a sow and a boar and raising our own, that whole thing really didn't appeal to me, but I figured if we could find somebody to do that part for us, we could get weaned pigs for a good price, then we could raise them ourselves and hopefully make a profit. You see, nothing here on the ranch is a big moneymaker. It's becoming a combination of many different projects, from cows to gardens and to even pigs, that afford us enough to live here and keep doing this year to year. One thing we strive to do, though, is to teach our kids the importance of the ranch and the importance of the animals. But at the same time, we don't want to sugarcoat it. This is life around here. We want them to know the importance of the sacrifices that are made to keep them clothed and fed. So the day pigs are leaving, and we get a chance to say goodbye before they go in the trailer.
Bye, pigs, and thank you for your bacon.
Last week, we parked the trailer here in an effort to make loading the pigs easier than it has been in the past. In previous years, Erin and I have struggled to get pigs on the trailer. We spent hours fighting and going back and forth with them. This year, we parked a trailer here about a week ago. Over the past week, the pigs have been getting used to coming into the trailer to get food and water. This tactic has actually paid off for us. All we have to do this year is throw some food in the trailer and close the middle door. Once the truck is attached to the trailer, then it's just a matter of pulling away. The ramp is currently attached to the trailer with a lip on the door. The ramp should pull free of the shed and then allow us to disconnect it. Or not.
What's holding it in the air? This stick down here.
No, I forgot. It's screwed in.
Oh, you screwed.
There's about 5 screws over there that are holding it in.
Okay.
I'll call that mission accomplished. With all the pigs, they're on the trailer, they're ready to go. And after pulling out and swinging around, we can get them some water and some more food for the trip. This trip is going to take the pigs from the ranch to Sturgis, South Dakota, our closest USDA butchering facility. Along for the 4-hour drive today is Lincoln, our 3-year-old son, and Erin, who manages to stay awake while Lincoln takes the opportunity for a little snooze. We are in Sundance, Wyoming. We're stopping to get fuel. I hate putting fuel in this pickup, and I'm going to show you why. When we put on the flatbed, we had to rebuild this. So obviously gas goes in there, but underneath here, this is the hose where the gas goes down and into the fuel tank, and it is very, very level into the fuel tank. So that means
that the gas gauge is, or the gas pump is going to constantly stop.
Back on the road, we have another hour before we get to Sturgis,
How was your nap?
where it's time to unload the pigs at their final destination.
Something behind us.
What could it be?
He thinks it's a trailer.
A pig.
It's a pig. Yeah, it might be a pig.
And I need a pig outside.
Do you get nervous backing up on camera?
I actually don't, except for I hate this. Backing up into this place is a pain in the butt. Because you have about an inch of clearance.
Do we just knock on the door and say we're here?
There's a button you push. And if that's great thing.
I've never done that before.
Huh?
I've never pushed the button before. Where's your muck boots?
Okay.
Okay.
I hate tucking in my boots.
You look so sexy.
Dave, who works here, is no stranger to unloading pigs. He does it daily, but he still remembers unloading ours last year. This year, I brought a 5-gallon bucket, which I'm told will make the process a lot easier.
So we had a bunch of people tell us that if you put a bucket over a pig's head, they'll back right off the trailer. Right up.
I've had a couple people do that. They'll bring a bucket with them.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it work?
I don't know. Sometimes it seems like it works great, and then other times it seems like it just pisses them off.
All right.
All right, I'm ready for it. All right.
You gotta be kidding me. Why is this one slipping up here?
This time you were all prepared, man.
I know. Look at that.
Walked right off.
Oh, jeez.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
This
Come on, please.
You know, last year we drug and we pulled.
We're out here for I don't know how long.
We got
Good hogs.
Well, Dave, I didn't even get a chance to use my bucket. Can I put it on your head?
You take a shot at it. Come on, please.
Cool. Well, that's it. Ridiculous.
And then it's off to head back home, on to the next big adventure. You know, I never know quite what to expect around here. I spent the last year thinking about putting a bucket over a pig's head and how much easier it would make getting pigs off the trailer. I really do actually kind of feel a little bit let down, but I can't complain too much. It's kind of how it goes around here. The irony of the ranch, once you get one thing figured out, something else will always step up to boggle your mind and drive you crazy. Just how it goes. I guess that's why it's never ordinary around here. And we invite you to come along and explore the ranch life and escape your ordinary every time here on YouTube. In a few weeks, we'll head back over. We'll pick up cured ham and bacon along with sausage and roasts, and these pigs will have helped us continue along. For that, we thank them, and we strive to make sure that all animals here have the best life they can while they're here on the ranch. It's all about the respect that they have and how they provide for us and for hundreds of families in our area, and the lessons that we learn along the way. Thanks for coming along today. Until next time, have a great week, and thanks for joining us in our Wyoming Life.